Hi guys, this is again Amy. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I mix my body oil, body lotion, body cream. So normally I use 100% raw Ghanaian shea butter. I don't use like a body cream just because I have allergic reaction to certain ingredients. So because of that, I don't have time to read all the ingredients behind a product. So I decided to just use a normal natural ingredient that is just the raw Ghanaian shea butter, and sometimes I use the extra virgin coconut oil, but at this time I don't have coconut oil. And because the weather is like super hot right now in Holland, when I use the raw Ghanaian shea butter all over my body, it makes me kind of sweat because it is hot and it's oil, you know, leave my skin really soft. I'm really like sweaty, but it also had a really nice like you get like really nice result when you use the shea butter as a body lotion. I use it on my skin and it leave my skin really smooth, soft, and my skin really looks smooth and soft and moisturized also. And also because I do have some stretch marks on my body, one or two places I do have stretch mark on my body, and I really don't have time to like buying separate cream for stretch marks. I do use the shea butter. It really helps when it comes to helping stretch marks. I use it on my body, like my entire body. One tip I would like to tell you guys, like if you have raw African shea butter, the raw one, the smell is not that pleasant, but I don't really mind because when I rub it on my skin, I just wait for like 2 to 3 minutes before I put on my clothes. Like the smell just go. The smell does not stay on your skin all the time, so I don't really mind the smell. And one tip I'll tell you guys, when I'm ready to go to bed every night, what I do is I take a little bit of the Ghanaian shea butter, just a little bit. I put it on my finger, just warm it up on my finger, and I kind of like dab it underneath my eyes a little bit. That way when I go to sleep, when I wake up in the morning, I don't really have that bagginess underneath my eyes. You know, sometimes when you go to bed and you wake up and you have that baggy thing under your eyes. Like I do this all the time, and when I wake up in the morning, my eyes look really nice. I don't have that tiredness, that bagginess underneath my eyes. But because it has been so hot, and if you live in Holland you know that, so putting oil on my skin right now, it kind of really make me sweaty, and I really don't like it. So this is the Ghanaian shea butter I use. This is the white one. My fiance bring this for me all the way from Ghana. I have the yellow one and the white one, and I also do take shower with the Ghanaian black soap. That's what I use taking shower. I don't use like body shower cream or something. I use soap. If I don't have the Ghanaian black soap to take shower, I go to my local natural store here. We have this store here where it's organic store, and they have this really nice organic soap. I buy it also, and I kind of like go between the organic soap and the Ghanaian black soap, because I also don't want the black soap to get finished, because I don't know when this man is going back to Ghana, not anytime soon. So I'm kind of like trying to mix it both so that I don't really get so that the black soap does not finish, because the one that they sell here in Holland, my experience I have buy, it's not the same that the one he always bring for me from Ghana, especially the shea butter, because the shea butter I bought here is not the same. The one he brings for me is really nice. The smells are really, you can really smell the shea butter smell. I use it on my hair, my body, like everywhere. I use it on the kids, and it really leaves the kids' skin really moisturized. So this is what I normally use. This is the raw Ghanaian shea butter. This is the white one. I have it in this container. It was all the way full. You guys can see I've used a lot. I use on my skin, on my hair, and everything. I use to moisturize my face whenever I'm doing my makeup. I use this first before I use my SPF 30 sun protective cream. So it's almost finished. So this is what it actually look like, and this is what it looks like when I have melted up. So I melt it. I want to be, instead of using this on my skin now because it's hot, but in the winter time, this is the best skin product you can ever have, like the best. It's 100% natural. My skin looks really soft, really nice. I really like it. So I have put some of the shea butter in here and I have melted, and this is what it looks like when it has melted. So now, and I went to Eyeshadow. If you guys live in Holland, you know the Eyeshadow, they were having some sales with this Pearl Melt cocoa butter body cream. So I decided to go and body lotion. So I decided to pick this up and to mix it because I like shea butter. I like the way it make my skin look. So I'm going to mix these two together. I was thinking using it on its own, but I was like, no, I just want to have my shea butter in it. So what I'm going to show you guys how I mix this. So I have this container which is already washed and sanitized. I boiled this in hot water and it's washed and sanitized. So now I'm going to show you guys how I mix this. What I do is I just open this cream. You guys can see it smells beautiful. It smells like cocoa. It just feels like I'm in the island. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pour this in here, and I picked this up. It was on sales. It was on sales when I picked it up. So I'm just going to pour this in here. Okay. I'm gonna pour everything in here. Let's just first see how much we can. I'm gonna close it first and then just try to shake everything down. Now I'm going to put my oil. I'm gonna put everything. I really like. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit first and then I'm going to try and mix it. We're going to mix. I know that the oil make my skin, like right now it makes me like really hot, but I don't really mind sometimes, but that's like the ordinary oil right now makes my skin really hot. So that's the reason why I want to mix it with something. So now I'm just gonna like put it in here and mix. And if you guys know me, I'm very when it comes to moisturizing my skin, I'm always shouting on the kids like, go and moisturize your skin, go and moisturize your skin. So now that I am done mixing everything, this is what it looks like. You can still see the oil because the oil is melted. What I'm going to do, you're going to close it and I'm going to put it in the fridge for a couple of maybe 30 minutes, and then everything is going to settle down and I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like. This is my body oil and I really like the smell of this one. I'm just gonna keep this one whenever this one is finished. I do use a lot of body oil to moisturize, so I'm guessing this one's gonna finish and it very soon, and I'm going to mix another one again. But this is how I make my body cream, and normally this is what I use when I don't when it's not hot in the winter time, summertime, because right now it's like super hot this few days in Holland, and so this is the reason why I'm like, let me try to mix it with something, balance it with something else, so that the oil is not like a lot of oil on my skin. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys do, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. I'm gonna put that in the fridge, so then we'll be back. So a couple of minutes later, 30 minutes later, this is what it looks like. It's all now, the shea butter has settled into the cream. It's all cakey, you guys can see, and it's really, as it's cold, and it's really good. Like when you apply it, it's so good. Like it's so soft, it blends into your skin so smoothly. And this is what I use to moisturize my skin, and I really like it. I just like the shea butter in it just because it gives my skin extra moisturize. This is what I do. So yeah, this is how I mix my body cream. This is what I'm going to use these hot days. Hopefully it helps, because the shea butter alone, it's really hot. So I'm still gonna keep using this, but I'm just gonna try this just to see if it will help with the hotness, because even though it's so hot, I can't take shower without not rubbing any cream on my skin. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook like page. So this is my body cream. Now I'm just gonna put it like this in the bathroom, because I like when I finish take shower immediately in the bathroom, I like to moisturize my skin. So yeah, I hope to see you guys very soon. Vergeet niet te abonneren en vergeet mij niet te volgen op mijn Instagram kanaal. Dus je Amy. Doeg! Bye!